I am hoping that you had a great holiday break after a strong start to this first semester of school. As we return on Monday, we now set our eyes on the final stretch before wrapping up the first semester. As promised, I am bringing you a brief update regarding our network service disruption that caused us to be without internet access across the entire district for the week leading into Thanksgiving. Our technology team and our cybersecurity partners have spent this past week working through two main objectives. The first objective has been a deep and thorough investigation into the suspicious activity that was detected on our network. As you likely know, all organizations intercept suspicious activity on a regular basis without any incident. This time, however, it has been determined that the suspicious activity we detected has been deemed a cyber incident caused by an unauthorized user with the intent to harm. However, thanks to a combination of previous cybersecurity investments, a well-defined and prepared plan in place should we ever experience a cyber incident, and fast-acting decisions, I am pleased to report that the investigation thus far has determined that vital applications such as Infinite Campus, our financial management and human resources system, Microsoft 365, Google, and email environments are all secure. This coming week, I will have a better sense of what, if any, impact this incident has had on our digital resources, historical files, and network applications. While I must acknowledge that this had the potential to be a serious event, early indications give me confidence that the containment we have confirmed is a good signal that there is limited, if any, impact and full restoration is in sight. The second objective has been the secure redevelopment of our entire network. While the effort of our technology team has made extraordinary advancements on this objective, the reality is that this is a long process. Unfortunately, we will not start this school week with full operability of our typical digital environment, including continued internet outage for the time being. But together, we will start to take the steps that will get us there over the coming weeks. Part of our secure restoration will begin with a system-wide scheduled password change, and that we will roll out in the coming days. And while our typical operations will continue with the pattern of disruption, I will regularly provide updates as we methodically reintroduce one application or service at a time until we have full network and internet access restored to all users. I know that this adjustment to our plans, our routines, and our expectations can grow frustrating, but this is not the first challenge we have overcome together, and our secure restoration of our network will provide the entire organization and our community with the confidence needed to safely and routinely operate when we are complete. I also realize you are eager for a full and thorough report of the source, scope, scale, and impact of this entire cyber incident, and I assure you that I will provide it as soon as the investigative team has come to a conclusion and the criminal investigation is complete. I will also be prepared to share with you our next steps in cyber incident prevention. As we wrap up this Thanksgiving week, I am reminded of just how thankful I am for the Henry County community, our partners in law enforcement and emergency management, our families, our team of employees, and our students. I want to give a special message of gratitude to our entire technology services team, who did not grow weary of their work this past week as they prioritized student learning and employee resources and did everything they could so we could return to teaching, learning, and serving together this coming week.